Today, I put one of the oldest tire shine hacks to the test, baby oil. The logic? If bodybuilders can use it for that deep, glossy shine, then maybe, just maybe, it could do the same for our tires. A quick look at the label reveals a simple formula: mineral oil and fragrance. It's light, thin, and I figured it might just spray straight from the bottle without any dilution. And it did. The baby oil sprayed cleanly, no issues. I applied 3 spritzes onto an applicator pad and got to work. The application? Smooth. The shine? Honestly, impressive. And that classic baby oil scent? It's a nostalgic bonus. But things took a turn. Within just minutes, that deep gloss began to fade. The thin layer of oil evaporated much faster than expected. Here's the time lapse. As you can see, that showroom shine disappears almost entirely. I checked the control area to compare. There's a very slight difference. The baby oil side looks a bit darker, but from a distance, practically unnoticeable. Since the shine didn't hold up, I decided to see if baby oil offered any water-repelling benefits. With a quick rinse, no soap, there wasn't much to see. No water beading, although, interestingly, the control side behaved just a little differently underwater. After drying, the tire went right back to its slightly yellowish tint. The baby oil? Completely gone. So, what's the verdict? The baby oil tire shine hack is a bust. It goes on glossy, sure, but that shine fades fast, within minutes, and it doesn't offer any lasting protection. Save yourself the time. This is one hack that's better left in the past.